Piof, you just bought premium speakers, but your music sounds like it's underwater. Spotify, best quality. Your system, best potato. You crank the volume, still can't hear the bass. Your friend. Bro, is that a toaster? You. No, it's my audio setup. Pain level 9000. You dream of cinematic sound, but get microwave beeps instead. Alexa. Sorry, I can't help with that. Google Home. Try unplugging yourself. You. I just want music everywhere. Multi-room audio, more like multi-room chaos. Your cables. We're tangled for life. Your remote. Missing since 2019. You. There has to be a better way. Enter my secret weapon. The WiiM Ultra music streamer. Looks like Iron Man's gadget. Sounds like angels singing. Aluminum body. Not just for flexing. Preamplifier touchscreen. Swipe left on bad audio. ESS at 9038 Q2M DAC. Translation. It's got the sauce. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Faster than your ex's replies. THD plus N. 116 dBs. SNR 121 dBs. Numbers so big, even your math teacher's impressed. Versatile connectivity. USB, optical, coaxial, RCA. HDMI ARC, plug and play, not pray. Phono input, for that vinyl flex. Headphone output, private concert mode, on. Digital meets analog, like peanut butter meets jelly. Home theater magic, HDMI ARC plus subwoofer. Out. Movies, epic. Games, immersive. Shows, chef's kiss. Custom EQ. Tweak it till you break it. Add a subwoofer. Bass drops harder than your Wi-Fi. Easy setup. No PhD required. Multi-room audio. Sync your house like a boss. WiiM Home app. Control freaks, rejoice. Volume, sync, alarms. All from your phone. Save your faves. No more hunting playlists. High-res sound. 24-bit WiiM 2K hats. Crystal clear. Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, Qobuz. All in one place. Gapless playback. No awkward silences. Room correction. Your room, your rules. Independent EQ. Tailored to your vibe. AirPlay? Nope. But who needs it? WiiM Ultra. Not just smart, genius. Upgrade your sound. Flex on your friends. Still using potato audio? Time to glow up. WiiM Ultra. Because your ears deserve luxury.